"Ah, so," said the blind man. I was feeling the wrong ones over here further, right there, because everywhere along here I can feel little edges, but there's two definite catches, and it's straight across from this one, so I was looking over too far, because these are straight across from each other, I believe. Let's see here. That's there. Yeah, see, those two are straight across. So I think I can get it. I just have to have it lined up right, you know? Well, I guess I can look on the outside of that too and see where they are, because those are the two, okay? Because I want to line them up properly, you know? Man. Okay. Now see, it's in, but it's loose, just a little bit. I don't think I have it lined up exact. So I just have to keep playing with it here for a minute. It's still a little wobbly. And what I could do is take my pliers and just kind of tweak this in, or maybe just with my thumb. Just push it in a little bit, huh? You know, so it's fitting on there better. Right there. There. Look at that. I think I've done it, by Joe. False alarm. Now I'm going to have to get this out into the light. Take it out into daylight, because these little prongs, I think one of them was kind of mashed down, so it wasn't fitting tight. So I'm just going to take my scratch awl and I'll have to find out exactly where it is. And I can take this and I can push these in just a hair so that they'll clip exactly where the adjoining little marks are. Okay? Look at it close. You can do it. I can't believe what I just saw. Remember, I showed you the two little nibs. I hope that you saw those on this video. You know, the little nibs, there was two on this side, two on this side. When I lined it up with the ones on the actual light bulb holder, or the sleeve that goes into the holder, the sleeve had nibs. They didn't line up, and I'm thinking, what is this? So I went outside, I had more light, and I could see that either the manufacturer had pushed the wrong two little prongs on the outside of the holder on both sides. They weren't lining up. I think that's why it got loose over time, because you only had one tine on this side and two on the other side that were holding it. So I took my little scratch awl and I pushed one of these in, because you can push all these, you can push in, but you only need to do the two that line up with this on both sides. Those you can't change. Okay, I pushed one in, sure enough it fit right down there like a glove. This is nice and sturdy now, and I can still turn this. Okay, I want to make sure you can keep turning that, and it works. Now I'm ready to put that back in, and I didn't have to change out this entire thing. Next time you have an issue like that, check it out really close and maybe you can fix it. This should be fine now. Don't let something like that defeat you from thinking you have to go buy another lamp. Okay? Make sure it works here. Alrighty. Are you kidding me? It's all fine. The the twizzles on the back side because this lamp, the cord comes out on a definite side, and I looked at the other light fixture and I should have been paying attention because I believe it should be out front because this is the front, and so I've got this flipped all the way around. I'm going to have to kind of gently pull that out of those nibs, and I've got to flip this around. My loss is your gain. Now, did I just do that on purpose so that you could figure out that when you get to your lamp, you're not going to do the same thing? Well, I'll let you be the judge of that. Now, here's a tip for you. If you see the little holes, and if one of them has been knocked off or something, you can swivel this over to the next two holes or something and slide it over. As long as you've got your twizzle knob within this area at the front, it can be straight, or it could be slightly askew off to the right if you had to flip that over and make some new dimples. So, you know, you can fix pretty much anything, especially these types of light lamps. And I've never really had to do one before until now, but I got her. Okay, so I've got to squeeze this together. You're not going to see this part, but I'll just have to line this up and squeeze it and fit it down in that notch. And come on, let's see it go in there. Boy, now is this going to give me fits? This might go just one direction. We'll see. No, I'm having a little bit of an issue getting this in the groove here. Man, why do things have to be so difficult sometimes? You know, you just can't figure it out sometimes. There it goes. Okay, slide the collars back, line that up, and this can be twisted just a hair. And this thing is on a swivel too to go front and back. That's my pet peeve, to have these things lined up all the way. You know? Okay. I guess I got it fixed. Good as new, and you did it yourself. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.